Yeah. This one is for the ones still searching for peace. As the sun goes down over Kingston Bay, we remember love, we remember life, and we let go slowly. The sun is dipping low over Kingston Bay. Gold and red paint the skies today. I'm walking slow where the cool winds play, trying to wash all my troubles away. The streets are humming that reggae sound, children laughing all around, and every worry that used to stay just fades like smoke in the light of day. I hear a drum in the distance call, like a heartbeat through the city wall, and I feel my spirit rise again, like the tide rolling back to the sand. Oh Lord, let the moment stay. Don't let this peace just drift away. In the glow of the evening flame, everything feels just the same, but better. Sunset over Kingston Bay, carry my worries far away. Let the rhythm guide my soul, make my broken spirit whole. Sunset over Kingston Bay, tell me everything's okay. When the night begins to play, I'll be alright, I'll be okay. I see lovers dancing by the shore, barefoot dreams on the ocean floor. Old men smiling, telling tales of the days when the wind would sail. The market stalls are closing slow, but the music still starts to grow. From a corner band with a worn guitar, playing songs from a shining star. And I remember the times I cried when hope was something I almost denied. But the island taught me how to breathe, to let go and just believe. Oh Lord, the sky turns gold, like stories that the elders told, and every heart begins to say we'll be alright in our own way. Sunset over Kingston Bay, carry my worries far away. Let the rhythm guide my soul, make my broken spirit whole. Sunset over Kingston Bay, tell me everything's okay. When the night begins to play, I'll be alright, I'll be okay. And when the night comes falling down, I still hear that healing sound of waves that whisper through the dark, like a flame that never lost its spark. No matter where I run or stay, my heart returns to Kingston Bay, where love is more than words can say, and pain just slowly drifts away. Now I'm stronger than I was before. I don't fight what I can't ignore. Life is rhythm, life is sound. Even when you hit the ground, I walk with peace inside my chest. Not perfect, but I'm still blessed. And every step along the sand feels like I'm holding Jah's hand. The world keeps turning fast and wild, but I'm just here, a simple child of music, light, and endless grace, finding as the waves keep rolling in, and the night takes over the sky. I find my peace again at sunset over Kingston Bay. This one is for the ones learning to slow down, to breathe again, to live easy. Easy breeze, slow life. Morning sun on a quiet street, no rush, no race, just steady feet. Coffee steam in the island air, feels like freedom everywhere. Birds are singing a lazy tune, dancing under a drifting moon. Even time seems to take its seat, just rocking softly to reggae beats. I used to run like I had no end, chasing money, losing friends. But now I see what life can be when you just let yourself feel free. Oh, I don't need to fight to make everything turn out right. I just let the wind decide, and I follow the tide. Easy breeze, slow life, no stress, no strife. Let the rhythm take control, heal my heart and soothe my soul. Easy breeze, slow life, under sun and under night. Everything is gonna be alright in this easy breeze. Slow life, children laughing by the shore, no one's asking for something more. Old guitars and steel drum sound, peace is the only thing I found. The city moves, but I don't care. I leave my worries in the air. Every step is soft and light, under golden morning light. I used to chase a fading dream, but life is more than what it seems. Now I walk at my own pace, smiling in this simple place. Oh Lord, I finally see the best things come so naturally. No need to hurry, no need to run, just living under the sun. Easy breeze, slow life. Oh, no stress, no strife, no strife. Let the rhythm take control, heal my heart and soothe my soul. Easy breeze, slow life, oh, under sun and under night. Everything is gonna be alright in this easy breeze. Slow life. When the world gets loud again and I lose my way, my friend, I close my eyes and hear the sea calling softly back to me. No more pressure, no more pain, just the rhythm in the rain. And I find my peace inside, like the ocean and the tide. Now I walk with lighter heart, knowing every day's a start. Not perfect, but I'm okay, living life my simple way. The sunset paints the sky so high, and I feel it deep inside that everything will work out fine in this slow life of mine. Oh, I feel the flow wherever gentle winds may go. I'm no longer in a race, I found my peaceful place. Easy breeze, slow life, easy breeze, slow life. Yeah. Some nights the world gets too heavy, so we go back to the river, back to calm, back to firelight. I walk alone where the river runs slow, under palm trees in a golden glow. The night is singing a gentle song, telling me I still belong. The firelight dances on the shore, like a memory I can't ignore. Every flame tells a story told of broken hearts and souls made whole. The water whispers my name so clear, says don't you worry, don't you fear. And I let go of everything as the island starts to sing. Oh Jah, I feel it now, in the wind and in the clouds. Every burden starts to fade in the light the fire made. Rivers of calm and firelight hold me gently through the night, wash my worries out to sea, set my heavy spirit free. Rivers of calm and firelight guide me through the darkest night. Let me stay till the pain just drifts away. I've been running through broken days, lost in 1,000 empty ways, but the river never lies. It reflects the truth in my eyes. I see my past flow down the stream, like fragments of a faded dream. And every spark from the burning wood reminds me life is still so good. The elders sit and hum so low, telling me what I already know, that peace is not a place you find, it lives inside your mind. Oh, I understand. Healing flows like shifting sand. No more running, no more fight, just surrender to the night. Rivers of calm and firelight hold me gently through the night, wash my worries out to sea, set my heavy spirit free. Rivers of calm and firelight guide me through the darkest night. Let me heal, let me stay till the pain just drifts away. And when the silence gets too loud and I'm lost inside the crowd, I return to where I start, to the river in my heart. No more questions, no more pain, just the rhythm in the rain, and the fire softly calls through the night where healing falls. Now I stand a little strong, even when the nights feel long. I don't fight what I can't change, I just let life rearrange. The river teaches me to flow, to let the broken pieces go. And in the fire's gentle light, I finally feel alright. Every breath becomes a song, telling me I still belong in this world of peace and grace. I finally found my place. Oh, Jah, I see it clear. Love was always standing near, in the water, in the flame. Life is never just the same. Rivers of calm and firelight hold me gently through the night, wash my worries out to sea, set my heavy spirit free. Rivers of calm Let the river take it. Let the fire heal it. Calm. Firelight. One beginning, yeah. Morning breaks on a sleeping town, soft light pouring all around. The world's still quiet, not a sound, just peace that slowly comes around. I step outside and breathe it in, a brand new chance to start again. The air is clean, the heart is light, under this slowly fading night. I see the neighbors smile and wave, like yesterday was not the same, like every hurt just slips away in the light of a new day. Oh Jah, I feel the sun reminding me we're all as one. No borders here, no hate, no fear, just love that draws us near. One love, one morning sky, under the same sun we rise. Every heart, every soul, every eye, shining under one morning sky. One love, we let it flow where the gentle winds will go. In the light we all can see, we were meant to just be free, yeah. Children laughing in the street, dancing barefoot to the beat. Old men sitting by the store, talking about the days before. But there's no sadness in their tone, just stories that they call their own. And every wrinkle tells the truth of a life that still has you. The market opens, colors bright, fruits and laughter fill the light. And even strangers start to feel that something here is truly real. Oh, I understand, we are all just part of one land. No divide, no fight today, just love to lead the way. One love, one morning sky, under the same sun we rise. Every heart, every soul, every eye, shining under one morning sky. One love, we let it flow where the gentle winds will go. In the light we all can see, we were meant to just be free. And when the world feels cold and gray, and I lose my way someday, I close my eyes and hear the sound of unity all around. No more anger, no more pain, just the rhythm in the rain, and a promise in the sky that love will never die. Yeah, now I walk with open hands, understanding who I am. Not perfect, but I'm enough, made from kindness, made from love. Every breath I take today feels like freedom in every way. And I know I'm not alone, this world is now my home. The morning sun begins to rise, painting gold across the skies, and I can feel it deep inside, a brand new world alive. Oh Jah, I see the truth, it was always there in you. One heart beating strong and free, in perfect harmony. One love, one morning sky, under the same sun we rise. Every heart, every soul, every eye, shining under one morning sky. One love, we let it flow where the gentle winds will go. In the light we all can see, we were meant to just be free. for the dreamers who see life moving slow like waves on the shore. Island dreams, slow motion. I woke up where the ocean sings, soft wind brushing everything, palm trees dancing in the light, holding on to another night. The world feels far from where I stand, just sand and sky and gentle land. Every breath is calm and wide, like the ocean at my side. I don't need to rush today, let the hours drift away. Even time begins to slow where the island breezes blow. Oh Jah, I feel so free, like the waves are part of me. No pressure here, no need to run, just living under the sun. Island dreams in slow motion, moving like the ocean. Every word fades away in the light of a perfect day. Island dreams in slow motion, pure and sweet devotion. Let my heart just drift and glide with the rhythm of the tide. Children laughing on the shore, always asking for nothing more. Old guitars and drum beats sound, pieces flowing all around. The sky turns colors I can't name, but everything feels still the same. Beautiful, slow and alive, in this place where I survive. I used to chase the city lights, now I'm chasing peaceful nights, where the stars don't need to race, they just shine in perfect place. Oh, I finally see life was always meant to be simple, slow and full of grace, in this quiet island place. Island dreams in slow motion, moving like the ocean. Every word fades away in the light of a perfect day. Island dreams in slow motion, pure and sweet devotion. Let my heart just drift and glide with the rhythm of the tide. When the world gets loud again and I'm lost inside the rain, I will close my tired eyes, see this island in my mind. No more fear and no more pain, just the rhythm of the rain. And the ocean calls my name, saying nothing stays the same. Now I walk with lighter feet, every moment feels complete. No more running from my past, I found something meant to last. The island teaches me to slow, to let the heavy burdens go. And in every gentle breeze, I find my inner peace. Life is not a race to win, it's the calm you feel within. And I finally understand, peace is always close at hand. Oh Jah, I see the light in the calm of every night. Everything Sometimes the quiet speaks louder than the world. Listen closely. The palms are whispering. I walk alone by the silver shore, where the ocean sings forevermore. The palm trees sway in a gentle rhyme, like they've been here all the time. The evening light is turning gold, telling stories never told. Every leaf begins to speak in a language soft and deep. I slow my steps, I calm my mind, leaving all my stress behind. And in the breeze I start to hear a voice that wipes away my fear. Oh Jah, I feel the sound of peace that's all around. No noise, no fight, no race, just love in every place. Whispers in the palm trees, carried by the island breeze, telling me to let it go, flow like the river flows. Whispers in the palm trees, healing every memory, in the night so soft and free, I find my serenity. The village lights begin to glow as fireflies start to show. Children laughing in the sand, holding joy in every hand. Old men playing reggae tune underneath the rising moon. Every chord they softly play takes my heavy heart away. I remember all my pain like footprints in the rain. But the island says to me, let it go and just be free. Oh, I understand. Life is never in command. It moves like wind through trees, soft and full of ease. Whispers in the palm trees, carried by the island breeze, telling me to let it go, flow like the river flow. Whispers in the palm trees, healing every memory, in the night so soft and free, I find my serenity. And when the world gets cold and loud and I feel lost inside the crowd, I return to where I stand, by the ocean, by the sand. And the palm trees start to speak in a voice so soft and deep, saying everything will mend, every broken heart will bend. Now I walk with lighter soul, finally feeling whole. Every burden fades away in the calm of night and day. No more rushing, no more pain, just the rhythm of the rain. And the island teaches me how to truly just be free. Even storms will come and go, but the roots still gently grow, and the palm trees never lie, they just whisper through the sky. Oh Jah, I hear it clear, love is always near, in the wind, in the sea, in the life inside of me. Whispers in the palm trees, carried by the island breeze, telling me to let it go, flow like the river flow. Whispers in the palm trees, healing every memory, in the night so soft and free, I find my serenity. Whispers in the palm trees, I finally feel at peace. Yeah. Listen, the palms are still whispering, and I'm still listening, forever calm.